Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I have a trip coming up to Canada, so today is just a prep day. I'm getting a few things done, taking care of some maintenance, and dealing with allergies, of course. Nothing too serious, just me getting my life together before I go. So come along with me while I get it all done. End up getting kava. You know how that go. I usually just get like grilled chicken, vegetables. I end up going to Victoria's Secret too. I'm pretty much done with everything I have to do. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done and pick up the boys and then finish packing.
You take a picture? Okay. But you mentioned that it's not comfortable.
Yeah.
ત્યાં તો આવી ને પછી એટલે એ તો આના હોત તો કઈ ના બોલી હોતી.
Can y'all stay out of girls' business? Excuse me, stay out of girls' business. Woo. We're gonna get this one. I was supposed to get up and show you guys my routine, go over the plans for the day, but nothing is going as planned. My hair appointment got pushed back. My nail appointment, I called and they're not going to be available for like another 2 hours, so. And I leave tomorrow, so we're just going to hope that everything goes as it's supposed to and just get the stuff that we can do done within the time that we're waiting to go to our appointments. I was gonna do a carry-on and my check bag, but my sister was like, we're not doing that. I'm just gonna fill up my check bag and then pack a little small bag that has all the stuff that I'll need for like while I'm en route. This is the grocery bag. All my little packing cues are like cow print. I already got my toothbrush, my deodorant, eye mask, witch hazel, coconut oil. I got me a little comb. This is the superfood face cream. That's good too. Then I have like a little perfume. Probably gonna grab another one. Definitely have to get the Clorox wipes. My mouthwash, soap bar, and the box to hold the soap. First, my little, I gotta keep this. This is so good. I got this from Amazon like a minute ago, but this, the truth. You know, I feel like I'm missing something or forgetting something like that, but whoa. Hold on. Okay. 11/11, you gotta make your wish. My package has been delivered. My package has been delivered. I posted a TikTok of yesterday. Make sure you go follow my TikToks, Daily Danae. Did I hear you crying? I actually overnighted this on Tuesday. I overnighted this on Tuesday. It's Thursday. So that's why something was like 2-day shipping. I don't know about that. I don't want to really play like that. I got a little hoodie to wear in the airport, a gray hoodie. First of all, is this a medium? Whoa, this is kind of big for a medium. This is a shirt to like go out. This is cute. I like forgot about this stuff. This is a plain white shirt, so I'm gonna keep it in the bag so it can stay clean. And then I ordered 2 pairs of jeans. Okay, so far so good. These not gonna work. What is this? Oh, let me show you what I was thinking for my nails. I really like these, but those are sharp, but they're cute. I like these stripes. Everyone's doing polka dot, but I love the polka dots right now. So I was also thinking about getting these. I have so much inspo. I like the stripes too. I was gonna get French tip toes, or maybe even get the polka dot on my toes. I don't know, but I will come back when I am doing something, when I'm in the store maybe, or when I'm getting my toes done. Hey, so I got to my appointment early as hell, like, well, not really too early, but I was scheduled for 12:30, and it's 12:17. I want to show y'all what I got. I didn't even know they had the travel size of these. I've been seeing these everywhere, so I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna put these in my bag. CeraVe ointment. I got some water and some M&M. Pack of tissue, because I need some new ones in my car anyways. Lint roller. I got a deodorant. I got some travel size toothpaste and some gum. That's all I got. I'm gonna go in here and get my nails done, and I will come back and show you what they look like. So I finished in the nail salon, and this is what the nails look like. They eat or no. And then I just got regular French tip on my toes. And I'm in the line picking up the boys now, eating M&Ms and hot fries. And all I have to do now is I'm gonna get my hair done later on. I don't even want to talk about, my hair appointment was originally scheduled for 9:30, and I had to message the girl. Y'all know how I told y'all, I'm scared of these hairstylists, especially in Atlanta. I had to message the girl and say, hey, just making sure we're still good for tomorrow, because I booked it the day before. Not gonna lie, I did book yesterday, but at the end of the day, if it's available, I should be able to book, right? And I did a package where the hair comes with it. She was like, I was wondering if you could come at 12:30. How are you wondering that if you didn't message me? But I'm hoping that this appointment goes good. Hopefully it's just, she was just busy. I'm understanding, so I'm just hoping that she was just busy and it's just gonna be a smooth appointment. I wanna just get my hair done. That's the last thing I need to do. I have a few more packages arriving this afternoon, so after that I'll be ready to go. Supposed to be, it says a bit. I literally just had to wash my face, like, thoroughly. This pollen is no-ho. What are y'all doing to keep yourself feeling normal during this allergy season? Because it's bad. I'm having to wash my face multiple times a day to get the pollen out my face. It's bad. It's all in my throat. I'm also getting, like, feeling like I'm getting pressure headaches. So, like, let me know the suggestions, all natural stuff. I do have Zyrtec. What are y'all doing? Let me know. I want to know what y'all are doing to help y'all with this pollen, because it's bad. It's bad, and I feel like every year it gets worse. But my appointment is 3:16. My appointment is at 6:30, so I currently have like 4 braids that I sectioned off. I'm going to blow dry my hair and just wait until my appointment. I'm waiting for a package. Cut the cameras. So I have my blow dryer and some heat protector. I had to go out and just grab some heat protector. A lot of my stuff is still packed up. It's from Cream of Nature, heat protector, smooth and shine polisher. I don't know. I just needed something to protect my hair from the heat. The Kenra Care, is it Kenra Care? I got the Wow, I've used the Olaplex. My hair still be getting heat damage. What am I doing wrong? We're gonna use this, and hopefully it doesn't leave like a cast or leave me too oily, and we're gonna see. Let's get to it. I'm literally like 2 minutes away from this place, but because I'm in traffic, it's saying 10 minutes. It's really stressing me out. Like, this is one of the main reasons why I do not like coming to the city. My allergies acting up. I just want to get my hair done and get on a plane and go to Toronto. That's it. Mind you, it's close to 12 and I'm just getting back home. She did eat. These are the goggles. So cute. Your ears more. So cute. What's up? What's up? Come on. How long I've been saying I wanted this? This the girl PS5. This the girl PS5. But this is what my next video is gonna be recorded on. Maybe I'm gonna still be using this for the different shots and stuff. So yeah, but that's all we got today. I'm gonna go pack my bags. The skin is eating. Honestly, all you have to do is get your hair done and you gonna be that bitch. You don't even need no makeup, no lashes. You just need to get your hair done, sis. You're not depressed. You just needed your hair done. That's what it was. This is gonna go ahead and conclude this vlog. The next vlog will be me in the airport, actually heading to my destination. And yeah, so thanks for watching my video. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on my video. And I'm gonna see you in the next one.